Today, we're tackling a question that might surprise you. Why are so many doctors, people we often associate with wealth and success, actually living paycheck to paycheck? It may sound unbelievable, but it's a harsh reality for a significant number of medical professionals. We often see images of doctors driving luxury cars, living in sprawling mansions, and enjoying lavish vacations. But behind those six-figure salaries lies a web of financial challenges. In this video, we're pulling back the curtain on the financial struggles faced by our medical heroes. The first and biggest hurdle many doctors face is medical school debt. We're not talking about a small student loan. The average medical school debt is around $250,000, and many doctors rack up $400K or more, and that's before interest piles up during residency. Imagine buying a house only to see the price jump by 20% before you even move in. There are different types of student loans too, federal versus private. That can mean vastly different interest rates, which can lead to astronomical repayment totals. Beyond the numbers, this debt exerts tremendous psychological pressure. Doctors often feel compelled to choose higher paying specialties over their true passions, worry about defaulting on loans, and deal with the stress it places on personal relationships. Major life milestones like buying a home, getting married, starting a family are frequently delayed as loan payments eat into their income. Retirement savings also suffer, since massive debt can push 401k or IRA contributions to the back burner. Unlike many professions where you start earning a decent salary in your early 20s, doctors spend years in medical school and residency, which delays their true earning potential. While peers are accumulating, savings, investing, and advancing at work, medical students are still in school, typically living on a tight budget. The opportunity cost of those lost earning years is significant, not to mention the lost chance to invest money early for compounding growth. Residency salaries ranging around $50,000 to $70,000 barely cover food and essentials in many areas. This minimal income can also force doctors to postpone starting a family because childcare costs are out of reach during residency or fellowship. Medical schools excel at teaching future doctors to diagnose illnesses and save lives, but they often fall short on financial education. Graduates may not fully understand budgeting, investing, debt management, or insurance. This knowledge gap can lead to common mistakes like underestimating how much debt they've taken on or overspending once their first real paycheck arrives. Without a solid understanding of personal finance, many doctors also make poor investment choices or sign predatory loan agreements. The solution? Start financial education early, ideally in medical school or undergrad, so doctors are equipped to make sound decisions right from the start. Later in this video, I'll share some resources that can help. Next, let's talk about variable income. A doctor's pay isn't always as predictable as you think. It depends on specialty, practice setting, and payment structure. Some doctors are paid fee for service, which can fluctuate with patient volume or procedure type. Others earn a fixed salary, which offers stability but may cap high-end earning potential. A capitation model provides a set amount per patient regardless of services used. In private practice, income can be higher, but also riskier due to overhead costs, staffing, and administrative challenges. Insurance reimbursements will add another layer of complexity, varying widely and often subject to policy changes. During economic downturns, doctors might see fewer patients and struggle to collect payments, especially for elective procedures. After years of service, it's understandable that new doctors want to enjoy the rewards of their hard work. However, the lure of a bigger house, a nicer car, or luxury vacations can quickly spiral into lifestyle inflation. These upgrades add up fast. Higher mortgage payments, car loans, and other expenses can make that generous salary feel surprisingly small. Overspending leaves little room for savings, investments, or extra debt repayment. Examples include buying a huge house before building a solid emergency fund, leasing luxury cars beyond one's true means, racking up debt on extravagant vacations, or choosing pricey private schools for children when budgets are already strained. Living below your means, no matter how large your paycheck is, helps provide the cushion needed for emergencies, faster debt payoff, and ultimately greater wealth. Many doctors practice in major metropolitan areas like New York, San Francisco, or Boston. While these cities can offer excellent career opportunities, they often come with sky-high housing, childcare, and everyday costs. Even a strong salary might not stretch as far, making it difficult to purchase a home or save aggressively early on. In more rural areas, doctors face different financial hurdles: lower reimbursement rates, more patients on Medicare or Medicaid, and even hospital closures. Limited access to technology and specialists further complicate rural practices, affecting both patient care and earning potential. Given all these challenges, strategies. How can doctors break the cycle of financial stress? Here are 4 critical steps. Obviously, budgeting is king. Track income and expenses meticulously. Use budgeting apps or software and stick to them. Even with a high salary, it can evaporate if you don't know where your money goes. Seek professional help. Consult a fiduciary financial advisor, especially one who understands the unique needs of medical professionals. They'll help craft a personalized plan for debt management, smart investments, and the right insurance coverage. In addition, or instead, you should educate yourself. Dive into books, articles, blogs, and podcasts about personal finance. Look for workshops geared towards medical professionals, and a little knowledge goes a long way in avoiding costly mistakes. I can't stress this one enough. Embrace delayed gratification. You've worked incredibly hard, so enjoying the fruits of your labor is fair. Just don't let lifestyle inflation derail your long-term goals. Make saving and investing a priority, and celebrate financial milestones sensibly. The journey to becoming a doctor is long and expensive and full of hidden financial pitfalls. Even with a high income, true financial security isn't guaranteed. By understanding how debt, delayed earnings, variable income, and lifestyle inflation intersect, doctors can be proactive in their steps to escape living paycheck to paycheck and build a brighter future. Thanks for joining this deep dive into the financial realities of being a doctor. If you found this video helpful or eye-opening, be sure to like this video, subscribe for more content, and share with anyone who might benefit. If you're a doctor, let me know in the comments what are your biggest financial challenges and what strategies have worked for you. Let's keep the conversation going and support each other in achieving our financial well-being. See you next time.